Today, we are going to dive into a heartwarming tale about a young boy named Oliver. This story is filled with simple lessons that anyone can understand, especially those who are just beginning their journey with the English language. It's a narrative about growth, understanding, and the true meaning of success, told in a way that is easy to follow and remember. So let us begin our adventure with Oliver and discover the valuable insights his life journey brings. We hope you enjoy this story and find its message inspiring and helpful in your own life. It is a story for everyone, designed to be both engaging and educational. Through Oliver's experiences, we will explore themes of effort, patience, and the true rewards of dedication. Prepare to be inspired by his transformation and the lessons he learns along the way. Oliver lived in a small, cozy village nestled between rolling green hills and a sparkling river. He was a bright and curious boy, always eager to learn new things and explore the world around him. However, Oliver had one small flaw that often guided his decisions. He frequently looked for the easiest path to achieve his goals. He believed that truly smart people found clever shortcuts. He admired those who seemed to get things done without much visible effort, thinking they possessed a secret wisdom. This belief shaped many of his early decisions and actions, leading him to often avoid tasks that seemed too demanding. He thought that hard work was primarily for those who weren't clever enough to find a more efficient, less strenuous way. One sunny morning, the village announced a grand competition that captured everyone's attention. The prize was a truly beautiful, handcrafted wooden boat, perfectly designed for sailing on the gentle currents of the nearby river. Oliver's eyes lit up with excitement and a strong desire. He had always dreamed of owning such a magnificent boat, imagining countless adventures. The competition required all participants to grow the largest and healthiest pumpkin within a strict 3-month period. Oliver was initially very excited by the prospect of winning, but also a little worried about the significant amount of consistent work involved. He wanted that boat more than anything, but the effort seemed daunting. Many villagers, including Oliver's kind and diligent friend Lily, immediately started preparing their soil with great care and enthusiasm. They planted their pumpkin seeds meticulously, ensuring each one had the best possible start. Lily, in particular, spent hours every single day tending to her tiny pumpkin plants. She read numerous books about gardening techniques and frequently asked older, more experienced villagers for their valuable advice and tips. Her dedication to the task was clear and evident to everyone who observed her. She truly loved the entire process of growing things, finding joy in every small step and development. Oliver, on the other hand, quickly decided to find a quicker, less demanding way to win the competition. He went to the market and bought the most expensive, supposedly special seeds he could find, thinking they would grow faster and bigger almost automatically. He believed these premium seeds would require minimal attention from him. He planted them rather quickly and carelessly, gave them only a small amount of water, and then spent most of his time playing by the river with his other friends. He checked on his pumpkins only once a week, expecting them to magically grow huge and impressive without his constant care. He was overly confident that his expensive seeds would do all the necessary work for him. Weeks and then months slowly passed by, bringing the competition day closer. Lily's pumpkins grew steadily and strongly, their vibrant green vines spreading wide across her well-tended patch. She celebrated each new leaf that unfurled and every tiny fruit that began to form, cherishing the progress. Oliver's pumpkins, however, looked weak, sickly, and disappointingly small. Their leaves were a dull yellow, and the fruits were barely visible, struggling to grow. He started to feel a sharp pang of worry and doubt, but he quickly pushed it away, stubbornly telling himself that his special seeds just needed more time to show their true potential. He still clung to his belief in his shortcut. As the highly anticipated competition day finally approached, Lily's pumpkin was a truly magnificent sight to behold. It was perfectly round, a vibrant deep orange color, and impressively enormous, drawing gasps of admiration from onlookers. The villagers gathered around it, marveling at its sheer size and robust health, a testament to Lily's efforts. Oliver's pumpkin, in stark and painful contrast, was tiny, shriveled, and utterly unimpressive. It was clear to everyone present that he had not put in the necessary effort, care, or consistent dedication required for success. His chosen shortcut had failed him completely and spectacularly, leaving him with nothing but a small, sad pumpkin. Oliver felt a deep sense of disappointment, regret, and profound shame wash over him. He saw Lily's genuine joy and the sincere admiration in the villagers' eyes, and in that moment he truly understood. It wasn't just about winning the boat, it was the entire journey, the sustained effort, and the loving care that went into the process. He realized with a heavy heart that his persistent desire for an easy win had cost him the invaluable chance to experience the deep satisfaction that comes from hard work. He felt a tight knot of regret forming in his stomach, a bitter taste of what could have been if he had only tried harder. Lily, with her kind and observant nature, noticed Oliver's profound sadness and quietly walked over to him. "It's okay, Oliver," she said gently, her voice full of empathy and understanding. "Growing things, especially pumpkins, takes a lot of time and a great deal of patience. It's a process that teaches you many things." She continued, "Maybe next year, if you'd like, we can work on our pumpkins together. I can show you what I've learned." Her words were incredibly gentle and understanding, completely devoid of any judgment or gloating. Oliver looked at her, genuinely surprised by her unexpected generosity and kindness. He had fully expected her to boast about her victory. That day, standing beside Lily and her magnificent pumpkin, Oliver learned a truly powerful and unforgettable lesson. He understood with newfound clarity that true and lasting success comes directly from dedication, consistent effort, and unwavering perseverance, not from seeking quick shortcuts or relying solely on expensive tools. He realized that the process itself, the challenging yet rewarding journey of working diligently towards a meaningful goal, was often as fulfilling and rewarding as the final outcome. He finally saw and appreciated the immense value inherent in Lily's consistent hard work and patient approach. The very next year, with a changed heart and a new perspective, Oliver eagerly joined Lily in the village garden. He learned diligently from her, asking thoughtful questions and listening carefully to all her advice. He prepared the soil with his own hands, feeling the earth, and planted his seeds with a newfound sense of care and responsibility. He watered them faithfully every single day, just as Lily did. He pulled weeds tirelessly, protected the young plants from various pests, and watched them grow with genuine interest and a deep sense of connection. He felt a completely new kind of joy, a satisfaction that came from his own sustained effort and commitment. He discovered the profound pleasure of seeing his efforts bear fruit, quite literally, as his pumpkins began to thrive. His hands became dirty from the soil, his back sometimes ached from the labor, but his heart was full of a sense of accomplishment and purpose. He learned about different types of soil, the critical importance of sunlight, and the delicate balance of nature. He was no longer looking for quick shortcuts or easy ways out. Instead, he was fully embracing the entire journey of growth and learning. He understood that true mastery came from patient observation and consistent application, not from avoiding the work. This transformation was evident in his every action. When the next competition day finally arrived, Oliver's pumpkin, while not as spectacularly big as Lily's, was healthy, robust, and respectable in its own right. More importantly, Oliver felt a profound and genuine sense of pride in his achievement. He had earned this pumpkin with his own hard work, dedication, and renewed spirit. The villagers, noticing his significant change, praised his effort and his completely transformed attitude. They saw a young man who had learned a valuable lesson and applied it with diligence. He had truly transformed not just his pumpkin, but his entire approach to life and its challenges, becoming a better version of himself. He realized that the beautiful wooden boat, while a desirable object, was ultimately just a symbol of victory. The real and enduring prize was the invaluable knowledge he had gained, the practical skills he had developed, and the strong character he had meticulously built through his efforts. He had learned patience, perseverance, and the pure joy of honest labor. He also learned the profound value of friendship, humility, and the satisfaction of earning something through genuine effort. These intangible qualities and lessons were far more valuable and lasting than any material possession or fleeting victory could ever be. They would serve him well throughout his life. From that pivotal day forward, Oliver applied this profound lesson to every single aspect of his life. He studied harder and more diligently in school, understanding that learning required consistent effort. He practiced his musical instruments with greater dedication, striving for improvement with each session. He also helped his family with chores around the house and farm without even being asked, taking initiative and responsibility. He became known throughout the village not just as a clever boy, but as a hard-working, reliable young man. His positive reputation grew steadily, reflecting his inner change. He understood that every challenge he faced was not just a hurdle to overcome quickly, but a valuable opportunity to learn, adapt, and grow stronger. He found that the deep satisfaction of earning something through sustained effort was infinitely greater than any easy, unearned win. This realization changed his perspective entirely. He became a true role model for the younger children in the village, inspiring them by showing them the clear path to true success, which was paved with diligence, perseverance, and integrity. His example taught them that real achievement came from within, from the effort one put forth. Oliver's story teaches us a simple yet incredibly profound truth. Hard work and unwavering dedication are the undeniable keys to achieving true success and experiencing lasting happiness. Shortcuts might initially seem appealing and tempting, offering quick results, but they often lead to disappointment, frustration, and numerous missed opportunities for personal growth and genuine accomplishment. It is truly in the consistent effort, the patient struggle, and the rewarding journey itself that we discover our greatest rewards, build our strongest character, and unlock our fullest potential. The path of hard work, though sometimes difficult, ultimately leads to the most fulfilling destinations. So, as we conclude Oliver's inspiring journey, let us all remember his remarkable transformation and the timeless lessons he learned. Let us embrace the challenges that come our way, willingly put in the necessary effort, and find genuine joy in the entire process of striving towards and achieving our cherished goals. For it is through consistent hard work, a dedicated spirit, and an unwavering commitment that we truly flourish, grow, and ultimately make our most ambitious dreams come true. Thank you for joining us on this inspiring journey with Oliver. We sincerely hope his story encourages you to always give your absolute best in everything you do.